Hi, it's Dr. St. John. I want to talk to you about a great product from Standard Process called Glucosamine Synergy. I've used this many years as a chiropractor, and a lot of my patients swear by this product. They're on it for maintenance, just to handle chronic arthritis or joint issues. But what does it contain? Well, number one, it contains glucosamine sulfate, which targets cartilage. It also contains boswellia, also known as frankincense, which is a good overall anti-inflammatory for the immune system, but also targets joint inflammation. It also contains some ligament and tendon support. Tendons are the ends of muscles, and those can get inflamed. You've heard of tendinitis, right? Inflammation of the tendons. And then it also supports the ligaments. And ligaments are ligamentous tissues that support and connect bone to bone. So, in summary, this product is mainly going to help arthritic cases and joint inflammation.